There, our tent is finished.
This is great, Barney. Want to hear a scary story?
Sure. Scary stories and campfires go together.
Sitting around the campfire, one of the things that's fun is to tell some scary stories and try to scare everyone.
Cause it's kind of fun getting scared when you know it's not for real. Surrounded by your friends, nothing will get you, but you feel that tingly feel. You feel that tingly feel.
When the story starts to get scary, giving me goosebumps galore. I just cover my ears and close my eyes, but first tell a little bit more.
Cause it's kind of fun getting scared when you know it's not for real. Surrounded by your friends, nothing will get you, but you feel that tingly feel. You feel that tingly feel. Cause it's kind of fun getting scared when you know it's not for real. Surrounded by your friends, nothing will get you, but you feel that tingly feel. You feel that tingly feel. And it's fun cause it's not for real.
Are you ready to hear my sort of scary story?
Yes.
Okay, once upon a time, there were 4 friends, kind of like us, and one dinosaur, kind of like Barney, that were out camping in the woods on a dark night, when all of a sudden they heard a loud crash.
Like that sound?
Just like that. Anyway, after the crash, the campers heard a howl.
Oh! What happened next?
They heard a footstep on a twig.
Ouch. Oh, that wasn't a twig. Someone just tripped over my tail.
But who?